Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. I'm your friend Raksha, and today we're going to learn one of the most powerful techniques in the world to improve your English speaking fluency. This technique is called the shadowing technique. If you've tried speaking English but you still hesitate, if your pronunciation doesn't sound natural, if you understand English but can't speak smoothly, then this video is specially made for you. And today I am not alone. My friend Lohi is here with me.
Hi everyone. Hi Raksha. Honestly, Raksha, I feel nervous when I speak English. I know words, but my mouth doesn't cooperate.
That's exactly why you need shadowing, Lohi. And don't worry, by the end of this series, you'll feel confident speaking English naturally.
Raksha, first tell me, what exactly is shadowing?
Great question. Shadowing means listening to English audio and repeating it immediately, like a shadow follows a person. You don't wait, you don't translate, you don't think too much. You just repeat what you hear, instantly. For example, audio says, I am learning English every day. You repeat immediately, I am learning English every day. Your voice follows the speaker like a shadow.
Oh, so it's like copying the speaker.
Yes, but smart copying. You copy pronunciation, speed, intonation, rhythm, confidence. This trains your brain and mouth together.
But Raksha, why does this method work so well?
Because your brain learns language like a child. When babies learn their mother tongue, they listen, repeat, copy sounds, practice again and again. They don't study grammar first, they absorb sounds naturally. Shadowing recreates this process for adults. When you shadow, your listening improves, your speaking muscles train, your tongue learns new sounds, your confidence increases, your fluency improves automatically. It's like gym for your mouth.
Raksha, can I share something personal?
Of course, Lohi, go ahead.
I studied English in school for many years. I passed exams, I can read English books, I can understand movies sometimes. But when someone speaks to me in English, my mind becomes blank. My heart beats fast. I feel shy. I make mistakes. People sometimes laugh. So I avoid speaking English.
Many learners feel exactly the same, Lohi. You're not alone. The problem is not intelligence. The problem is lack of speaking practice in the right way. Shadowing fixes this naturally. Let me tell you a true story. A girl named Ananya wanted to speak English confidently. She was scared of making mistakes. She avoided conversations. One day, she started shadowing English podcasts for just 15 minutes daily. First week, difficult. Second week, pronunciation improving. 1 month, speaking smoother. 3 months, confidence sky high. She didn't memorize grammar. She trained her ears and mouth. Now she speaks confidently in meetings.
Wow, only 15 minutes daily.
Consistency beats everything.
Okay, Raksha, how do beginners start?
Very simple. You need only 3 things. 1. A mobile or computer. 2. Headphones, optional but helpful. 3. English audio or video. Examples: YouTube English conversations, podcasts, audiobooks, news clips, short stories. For beginners, choose slow speaking, clear pronunciation, simple vocabulary, short sentences. Avoid fast movies at first.
So, cartoons and beginner English videos are okay?
Perfect. Even children's stories are great. First, just listen. Don't repeat yet. Understand the mood, tone, rhythm. Now play again. Repeat immediately after the speaker. Don't pause too much. Don't worry about mistakes. Just follow. Let's practice. Audio says, today is a beautiful day. Repeat with me. Today is a beautiful day. Audio says, I am improving my English. I am improving my English.
Hey, this feels fun actually.
Exactly. Language should feel joyful.
But Raksha, if I can't keep up with speed?
Slow down the video speed to 0.75x or 0.5x.
What if I don't understand every word?
No problem. Focus on sound first. Meaning comes later.
What if I feel shy speaking loudly?
Speak softly first. Confidence will grow. Dear viewers, remember, you don't need perfect English to start. You need courage to practice. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Your voice deserves confidence. Your dreams deserve effort. Shadowing will slowly transform you.
Raksha, Yesterday, when I practiced shadowing, I noticed something strange. My tongue was tired, my jaw was slightly painful, and my voice felt heavy. Is that normal?
Very normal, Lohi. When you start shadowing seriously, you are using muscles that were sleeping for years. Your tongue, lips, jaw, breath control, all these muscles are working actively. Just like gym causes body pain, speaking practice causes mouth fatigue. It means progress is happening.
So, I should continue even if it feels uncomfortable?
Yes, but intelligently. Drink water, take short breaks, never force your voice, but don't stop just because it feels unfamiliar. Growth always feels uncomfortable at first. Shadowing is not one single action, it has layers. If learners jump directly into fast shadowing, they feel frustrated and quit. So we move step by step. Level 1. Echo shadowing. You listen to a full sentence, you pause, you repeat clearly. Your goal here is clear pronunciation, full sentence memory, confidence building, mouth coordination. Example, audio, I believe consistency creates confidence. You pause, you repeat slowly and clearly.
This feels safe. I don't panic.
Exactly, safety builds courage. Level 2, delayed shadowing. Now you repeat after 1 or 2 words delay. The speaker says, I am learning English naturally. You start repeating slightly behind, I am learning English naturally. Your brain starts multitasking, listening and speaking simultaneously. This trains fluency.
This feels slightly challenging.
Good. Challenge means growth. Level 3. Parallel shadowing. You speak together with the speaker in real time. No pausing, no stopping. Your brain learns rhythm, speed, stress, emotion. This is advanced fluency training.
This feels like singing karaoke.
Exactly. Language is musical.
Many people try shadowing but quit quickly. Why?
Because they choose very fast content, expect perfection immediately, feel embarrassed by mistakes, practice irregularly, compare themselves with native speakers. Progress is invisible initially, but inside your brain is rewiring. Your ears must become sharp before your mouth becomes fluent. Spend at least 5 minutes daily only listening carefully. Notice word linking, notice silent sounds, notice stress patterns, notice pauses, notice emotion. Example, want to becomes wanna, going to becomes gonna, did you becomes didja. Shadowing exposes real spoken English.
Some English sounds are difficult for me.
Yes, because your mother tongue muscles are trained differently. Shadowing slowly retrains them. Let's practice consciously. Repeat, think, thank, thin. Very, very. Right, light. World, word. Pleasure, pressure. Feel your tongue position. Don't rush. English has rhythm like music. Example, I want to go to the market. Strong words are stressed, small words are weak. Shadowing teaches this naturally.
I translate every sentence mentally.
Shadowing forces instant response, no time for translation. Slowly, your brain switches to direct English thinking. At first, you feel confused, then suddenly clarity comes. 15 minutes serious shadowing is better than 2 hours lazy practice. Suggested routine, 5 minutes easy slow shadowing, 5 minutes pronunciation drilling, 5 minutes fast shadowing. Consistency matters more than duration. Stand in front of mirror, shadow one paragraph loudly, smile, maintain eye contact, feel ownership of your voice. Record yourself weekly and observe improvement. Don't chase accent, chase clarity. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. Your voice deserves respect. Repeat naturally. I am becoming more confident every day. My voice is improving steadily. I deserve fluency. I am proud of my effort.
This feels empowering.
Language shapes identity. Now your foundation is strong. Next, we move towards real life usage. Movies, podcasts, speeches, conversations, spontaneous speaking. That's where fluency becomes alive.
Raksha, today I feel something different. Earlier, English felt like pressure. Now it feels like training, like growth.
That's the real transformation, Lohi. When learning becomes a journey instead of fear, progress becomes unstoppable. Remember one thing, fluency is not magic. It is daily discipline. It is small effort repeated every day. It is patience mixed with belief. Your voice doesn't become confident overnight, but every shadowing minute builds a stronger version of you. Even if today you struggle with one sentence, tomorrow that same sentence will feel easy. That's how mastery is born.
I promise I will practice shadowing daily, even on lazy days.
That promise will change your future. To everyone watching, don't wait for perfect time. Start today. Start small. Start imperfect, but start consistently. Your English journey is not about impressing others. It's about unlocking your own potential. Your voice matters. Your growth matters. Your dreams matter. And remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner who refused to quit. Stay committed, stay patient, stay fearless. We will continue this journey deeper in the next part.
Till then, take care. Bye-bye.